Hello everyone, I'm Nancy Ogbebor and you are definitely welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'll be showing you how I made my Kpomo sauce. So let me introduce you to the ingredients I'll be using. I have grinded crayfish, my Kpomo, also known as cow skin, vegetable oil, shombo, scotch bonnet pepper, onion bulb, seasoning cube, my curry powder, and salt. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into the preparation. So in my pot, I'll be putting in my diced kpomo, some of the onion, my salt, and my curry powder. So I'll be adding in water. So we'll cook till it is tender. So my kpomo is soft now, so I'll be draining out the water, the excess water that is remaining, and we'll start frying. In my pot now, I'll be adding my vegetable oil. I'll allow this oil to hot. I'll be adding in my roughly blended pepper, onion, all roughly blended. Okay, so we'll be frying this now. So be frying this for like 5 minutes. Just keep your eyes on it, fry it. Just continue stirring. For 5 minutes. So I'm adding my salt, my seasoning cube, my curry powder, and my grinded crayfish. So we'll be giving this a stir. So I'll be adding in my cooked kpomo. We stir this. I like to cook for like 3 minutes. And our kpomo sauce is ready. Please try and use the amount of pepper that you can tolerate. Okay, so this is it. We'll allow this to cook for 3 minutes and we are done. This is my result and this is how it looks. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and click on notification buttons so that you'll be able to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And enjoy this with your family. Don't forget to go with the pepper you can bear. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.